Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is David, Hyman, your tour guide, and Tomer.
Hi.
We're at the tomb of Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai in Galilee, Meron, Rashbi. And just wanted to show you this amazing site. Rabbi Shimon was buried here in the 2nd century, and he is considered the founder of Jewish mystical literature, Kaballa. Very mystical here. Rashbi is an acronym, Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai. Rabbi Shimon is one of the most important rabbis of the 2nd century in Judea under the Roman occupation. He was a disciple of Rabbi Akiva, and he's the author of the Zohar, which is the main work of Jewish mysticism known as Kaballa.
שהשם יתברך ימלא לתומר חיים טובים ומאושרים.
אמן.
אשת חיל מי ימצא?
אמן.
בשורש נשמתו. בריאות, ישועות לחיים טובים.
אמן. אמן. חזק וברוך. Amen. Many Jewish leaders were persecuted during the 2nd century and went into hiding. The legend is that Rabbi Shimon and his son Elazar hid in a cave in Galilee in the village of Pequiin for 13 years. So if you're stuck in a cave for 13 years, what will you do? The legend is that this is when the two of them studied Jewish mysticism and wrote the books of the Kabbalah. When they came out, they opened a school and started teaching mysticism to their disciples. Folks, this is the tomb of Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai. Rabbi Shimon dies on the 33rd day of the Omer, in Hebrew, Lag BaOmer. And since his death, his yahrzeit has become a day of celebration at the place of his final resting. People come here from all over Israel and the world to light bonfires, to give donations, and to give their children, the 3-year-olds, their first haircut. On Lag BaOmer of 2021, a terrible tragedy happened here when too many celebrants were allowed to enter the small and crowded site. While exiting through a narrow passage, a stampede occurred, and 44 boys and men lost their lives. This is where they light the candles, they light the torch in honor of Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai. And right below this blue dome, underneath, that is the tomb. And another popular custom is to cut the hair of the children. So at 3 years old, they bring them here and cut their hair. It's called a chalake. The chalake, the first time they cut the kid's hair, at the age of 3. Next to Rabbi Shimon's tomb complex are ruins of the ancient village of Meron, dating back to the 2nd century AD. The ruins of the synagogue are visible, and we can enter them and still see the monumental entrance gates and a few stone pillars and walls. You can see that part of the synagogue was carved out of the rock. And these are the 3 gates. Staircase leading up to the synagogue of Meron. This has been restored, but this looks all original. And inside the synagogue, just a pile of rocks. Amazing. Okay, everyone, we hope you all enjoyed this tour of the visit to Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai, Meron. So if you did, please give us a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know where you'd like to go on our next tour of
Wonderful Israel.
Yeah.